Assalamualaikum. Again, I'm Mansur Ali, lecturer of mathematics, APTC. Okay, today I'll teach you how to do exercise 1.5. Question number 1, draw the graph of the following equation. Actually, this is the circle equation and you can learn it from chapter number coding section 6. First of all, I'm just making the f of x. So, y square is equal to 9 minus x square, 9x minus x square. Y is same, I'm just taking plus minus and root 9 minus x square. So if y will be a real, so it should be a greater than equal to 0. So 9 minus x square. Okay, so 9 minus 9 is greater than, if you can see that minus x square, I'm just shifting from here there to there. So 9 is greater than equal to x square and x square is less than equal to 9. So plus minus 3 of x is less than equal to 3. So x is less than equal to 3 and minus x is less than equal to 3. Okay, so this is the thing, x is less than equal to 3, and if you just multiply the minus, so this sign will be changed. So less than equal to, it will change to the greater than equal to. Okay, now it means that x is less than equal to 3 and x is greater than equal to minus 3, and you can see that x is greater than equal to minus 3 and x is less than equal to 3. And from the table you can see that minus 3 minus 2, if you put minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 from here, because the range is, the domain is always a minus 3 to 3. So minus 3 to 3 the domain value, and you can see that the range value. So minus 3, if I put here minus 3, so what is the answer? And then minus 2 if I put here, so the same, plus minus 2.2 minus 1 and so on. Okay, so for the scaling, one big square along x-axis 1 unit and one big square along, and you have learned it from matriculation how you can make the graph. And this is the circle we draw from previous table. You can see that 3 to minus 3 in x-axis and the answer in the shape of circle. Again, the third part, so y is equal to e raised to the power 2x. So if I just take minus 1 here, okay, so from the calculator you get 0.1 minus 0.5, you can get this. Okay, so one big square is equal in x-axis 0.5 and one big square along axis is 1 unit. You can see that from minus 1 the answer is 0.1, and then minus 0.5 the answer is 0.4. And this is the beauty of exponential graph, that it is abruptly change from the positive, very big change. Now look at this, from here to there, big change. Okay, okay, graph the curve that the parametric equation given below. So x is equal to t, y is equal to t square, and t is the parameter because this is the parametric equation, and the value of t is 3 to minus 3 to 3. Okay, this is minus 3 to 3. So x is equal to t and y is equal to t square. Okay, if x is equal to t, so minus 3 minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2 3, because of this thing. So minus 3, if because x is equal to t, so x and t both are same values, and y is equal to t square, then y is the, for example, minus 3 square 9 and the whole thing. Okay, now you can see that this is called parabola, and you can learn from the chapter number 6. From minus 3 to 9, minus 3 to 9. Okay, x is minus 3 and y is 9, then minus 2 to 4, and same as, so you can draw the, this is the parabola. Okay, next question, t is greater than minus 1 and less than 5. Okay, so t is greater than minus 1. Okay, now I'm just taking the value from greater than 0 1 2 3 4 because less than 5. and x is depending on t and y is depending on t minus 1. Okay, so now look at this. If minus 1 is here, because t is 0, so 0 पे minus 1, 1 minus 1 0, 2 minus 1 1, 3 minus 1 2, and so on. And here if t is 0, so 0 minus 1 minus 1, 1 to the 2 minus 1 1, and so on. Okay, now look at this. This is the y-axis and this is the x-axis. Okay, so minus 1 0 1 2 3 x-axis and 1 2 3 and so on. Okay, now from 0 minus 1 to minus 1, this is the thing, this is the point, minus 1 to minus 1, and on 1 0 and y is equal to 1, and if you move towards, so the line represent the table, and this is the by the graph that it is continuous at not continuous. X is less than 0 and x is greater than equal to 3. Okay, so you can see that this is 2x plus 1. If y is equal to x minus 1, okay, so x minus 1 and x is less than 3 is, so minus 2 minus 1 0 1 2, so y value is this, and y is equal to 2x plus 1, x is greater than 3. I just take the 3 values. You can see from the graph, as there is a break, the graph at x is equal to 3, there is a break, so the function is discontinuous at point 3. Okay, find the graphical solution of the equation x upon 2 is equal to cos of x. Okay, so we draw x y is equal to x upon 2 and y is equal to cos of x. So y is equal to x upon 2 and y is equal to cos of x. You can see that y is equal to x upon 2, the table is here, and y is equal to cos of x, the table is here, and this is the cos of x graph, and y is equal to x upon 2, this is the graph. Okay, and the meeting point is this. Okay, so you can see that the line x upon 2 and the curve cos of x is meeting at 60 degree. So graphical solution is 60 degree, that is pi by 3. If you have any question, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Thank you for your attention.